No. Hey! No! You're supposed to be putting it together, not taking it apart.
What are you doing? Come on inside. Come over here. Right. Oh, you would know when I'm making a cup of tea, wouldn't you? That's right, I am making a cup of tea, yeah. Making a cup of tea. So, Budgie Boo, what have you got to say about chewing up my MacBook Pro case, eh? Look at the mess you'd make of that. Okay, so I don't know whether you can see this or not, but this is where my Budgie has been nibbling at my iPad Pro case. He's also helped himself to the top of my MacBook Pro when I didn't realise. I thought it was quite cute when he used to sit up there and watch me type away. It's only after a while that I realised he was actually eating it. Look at that, that's terrible. Mind you, it is 10 years old, so it's not too much of a trouble for me, but this is what he gets up to. Now look, he's shredding paper. See, this is exactly what I mean. You can't leave him alone for a second. You can't leave your MacBook out, otherwise, look at it, look. Come on, off. Off. Look at him. Good morning. What are you doing? So what other things do you get up to, Budgie Boo? Shred paper? You shred paper? No. Well, only when we're not looking at you. Right, so when you have a Budgie, one of the best things to buy is these plastic-free wipes. And then, once you have them, to get more use out of them, cut them in half and put them into a Ziploc bag so that you can get, so they can last twice as long. Because when you have a Budgie, you get through quite a few, let alone all the vacuuming that we have to do, don't we? So to help with the mess that a Budgie makes, his playpen is on top of his cage, so therefore any droppings can go straight into his cage. So that helps with mess, doesn't it, Boo? Yes, it does. So if you find out where their favourite spots are to play, you can either put paper down, or in this case, because it's over his cage, anything drops straight into it. Another favourite spot of Boo's is his window perch, and what we do there is put some paper towel down so that any droppings will go straight onto that. When you have a Budgie, you're always constantly cleaning, and who doesn't mind the noise of a hoover, but we're always having a hoover. And you can see the top of the TV protected from him biting it as well. Because he likes to have a go at things, don't you, Budgie Boo? Eh? But he's not bothered about the hoover noise at all. So you can see Mr. Boo, or Budgie Boo, as we like to call you, he's not bothered about the hoover at all, are you? Or some people call it the vacuum cleaner. But constantly cleaning up after him, aren't we, Boo? Constantly monitoring you, see where you are. You are funny. What one next? That one. Right, okay, I'll move it there. Now pick a black one. No. You've only been playing for 10 minutes. That, no, I can't. What, over there? Is that what you're saying? You've had enough. I think you said enough.